player, pinapakita sa iyo yung first five na mga players ng Qaeda. Sabi mo, minout mo, ang lakas ng team.
Oh,
At talaga
eto na. Pakilala
Ayan
natin.
Ayan na.
Terso, Lozada, Corpus, Ruwayan, Gabawan. Sa kabila naman, Mandani, Arellano, Egilos, Lopez, that's John, and the other Lopez, si Mark. Ang sinasabi ko rin sa iyo, partner, Qaeda, by the way, coached by Mike Buendia.
Yes.
Sa kabila, Stevenson Q. Parang Coach Yeng Giao. Iba ang starting five ni Coach Mike.
Alam mo yan, incentive yan para sa kanila, para dumating ka sa practice, nadala mo pa rin yung A-game mo. Hindi
Yes.
porket practice lalamya-lamya ka. So they base it like Coach Yek, like Kaloy Garcia, and like Mike Buendia. Kung maganda papakita mo sa game, maganda papakita mo sa practice, ikaw magsistart.
At yun ang ginawa ni Marcia Arellano. Maganda pinakita ng Game 1. Siya nag-start at magandang umpisa ng Jumbo Plastic.
Nakakatuwa itong mga batang itong Jumbo Plastic. I see yung mga pinapost nila sa Facebook. This is a solid team, bonding always. They get dinner together. Palagi sila magkakasama, especially in times like this.
Kickball violation, tatawag kay Jackson Corpus. By the way, ang ating officials, mabanggit ko lang referee Pascual, referee Olivar, and referee Arguelles. Seasoned referees na rin natin. Going back, Jackson Corpus natawagan ng kickball. Naalala mo, noong game number 1, it was a strong or a big start by Jumbo Plastic with Mark Lopez scoring the first 4 points.
Well, partner, yung dalawang Lopez na yan, minsan nga hindi ka naman bibigyan ng maraming puntos ng dalawa na yan. Pero it's their presence talaga, Chigi. Very energetic at intense itong dalawang Mark Lopez at saka itong si John Lopez.
Jamil against Jamo. Ford, great defense by Mark. And they get the ball back. White shirts on the run.
And that's what I'm talking about, partner. Ford Riwaya, magaling na jump shooter. Who blocks his shot? Mr. John Lopez is right there. Sorry, that was Mark.
Mark Lopez, that's right.
Lilito sa kanilang dalawa.
Almost a miscue. Napulot ni Mark. Shot lock baba sa 8. They go to Marcy. 4 to shoot. Nawala ang bola kay Marcy. Red shirts on the run. Terso, hinabol ni Mark. And we are tied at 2.
Mark Lopez just slams into our cameraman dahil talagang pilit niyang hinabol itong si Joseph Terso.
8:20 remaining ating first chapter ng game number 2. Lopez. Hinahanap dito si Egilos. Hindi maibigay ang bola. Mandani. Down low. John. 8 to shoot. Na double team. Yung pasa. Sinave ni Ford. Napunta sa maling kamay. Jamo, power play. One-hander. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. I have to give credit, partner, dito sa resiliency ng depensa ng Qaeda Tile Masters.
That's correct, partner. Pero isipin mo, hindi pa nga nagsa-start dyan si super frontliner na Dexter Marquez. No?
Yes.
Coach Mike Buendia going with the Gabawan muna. Jackson Corpus, we know what he can do. A super frontliner is Jack Corpus.
Pagbabalikan mo yung game 1, Jolly, napag-usapan natin ito, top of the coverage, as there's an offensive foul na itatawag kay Janus Lozada. First quarter, nakakuha ng dalawang mabilis na foul si Dexter Marquez. So from then on, parang nasira nga yung rotation bigla. So now he's coming off the bench. Tingnan natin how it will change the complexion of the game.
Well, he has to be very effective for his Qaeda team. We know he gets a lot of rebounds, palaging nagdo-double-double sa games na itong si Dex Marquez.
Shot clock baba sa 11. Marcy. Yung pasa, muntik mawala. Na-recover ni Marcy. Great defense by Janus. Marcy gets it back. John will not score. Jamo, ayaw pa rin. And that's another offensive board para kay John Lopez.
Gotta love the effort of the Lopezes na naman. Right there, an offensive rebound. But this time, Gabawan says, tumigil na kayo. Akin na yung defensive rebound na yan.
Empty possession para sa Jumbo Plastic in spite of 4 attempts. Sa kabila naman, ang mga nakapula. Power play ni Jamil. Napakasimple.
Rolling to the basket, making sure of his layup. Very nice. Galing dito kay Gabawan.
Tile Masters namang ng dalawa, 4-2. Nakalipas na ang 3 minuto sa first chapter. Mandani. Pinapapwesto si Jamo. Couldn't give the pass. Instead, si John has it. Yung pasa, sundot ni Corpus. 4 to shoot. Tight pass inside. Stolen here by Corpus.
Medyo pinipili. Ill-advised passes galing dito kay John Lopez that time. He should pull up from about 16 kung ano, at least magkaroon silang attempt that time. So turnover dahil no attempts.
Referee Arguelles, tinawagan ng foul itong si Marcy. Kaya, sa nakikita ko, Jolly, a little bit flat ang jumbo plastic. Energetic naman ang laro ng Kaida Tiles. At least in the first 3.5 minutes.
I just get the feeling they just will not go quietly into the night.
Oh, naman. Talking about Kaida Tile Masters.
Ah,
no?
yes.
That's right. Ito, bola ng Tile Masters. Shot clock, baba sa Sham. At may pito. Offensive foul will be called on Jamil Gabawan. Illegal screen.
Has to be careful, partner. Kailangan nagsiset ng screen. Talagang nakatayo ka lang oras na maglabas ka ng elbows mo o ng bewang mo. Offensive foul talaga. Kagad ang itatawag ng ating officials.
Not yet a high-scoring ball game. 4-2 ang ating score. Yung first quarter natin, first game po natin, went 79-61. Terso, bounce pass to Gabawan, pinihitan si Viernes, supalpal ni Taganas, pero may inabot si JR.
Well, if Coach Yang Giao is a master of adjustments, siyempre talagang ituro niya rin yan dito kay Coach Mike Gutierrez. Pag-scout nila, medyo mahihirapan itong sila James Martinez at saka si Marcy Arellana to really have clean looks to the basket. Ngayon, Chick, talagang papantayan na ng gusto yan.
Namamana yung coaching, ano? Diba?
At ayun ang palaging kasama mo day in and day.
Exactly.
Si Kaloy Garcia, mukhang depensa din yun. Defensive-minded coach. So, syempre, mamanahin itong si Coach Mike. Buendia lahat yan.
Jamil, split yung kanyang trip sa free throw line. It's a 3-point lead para sa Tile Masters, 5-2. Viernes, ipinasok na rin nga pala dito. Pinigay dito kay Egilos. Shot clock baba sa 12. Inside, Baby Shaq. And great tap by Gabawan. Last touch pa si JR. 5:49 remaining in the first quarter. It's a low-scoring ball game. Pero lamang ang Kaida, 5-2.
We are still here sa 2015 PCBL Founders Cup Finals Game 2. Alam nyo, bago nga magsimula ang ating laro, nakausap ko nga ang mga awarded players natin mula sa Jumbo Plastic Linoleum na naglalaro dito ngayon sa ating finals. Ito nga, ang Jumbo Plastic Best Defensive Player na si Mark Lopez. Nagulat daw siya, hindi niya alam na may award daw palang na ibinibiyaya ang PCBL na gano'n. Ang Mythical 5 naman na si JR Taganas, he didn't also expect this dahil hindi niya alam na makakakuha siya ng ganong award kasi actually he feels that he's struggling more on offense ngayon. So today, expect more defensive game from Taganas. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Mitch Del Carmen. At mamaya nga, pag-uusapan din namin ni Jolly. Buti na i-intro na ni Mitch yung ating mga individual awardees. We'll find a lull in the game. And yes, tama siya, no? Si Mark Lopez, isa sa mga sasandalan din dito talaga ng koponan ng Jumbo Plastic. Meantime, 7-2. Lamang ng 5 ang Kaida Tile Masters. They want a game 3, Jolly. They want a game 3.
Yung na-mention natin they want to go quietly through the night. Pero Mark Lopez kasi nag-issue ng dalawang dangerous passes. Yung isa nga na-intercept. Kaya pinalitan muna dito si Lopez. Taganas muna in his place.
Arellano still doing the point guard chores. Padilla, fresh legs. Pinasa kay Taganas. Not a sweet spot. Pero minsan nakakabulag.
Ganun ba, Chiki? Not my sweet spot. Pero it's a long two. Galing dito kay JR Taganas. Very important dahil yun na, they are down. Tatlo na lang.
Terso, wild shot off the glass. It's good. White shirts are running. Viernes. Harap si Ruaya. Waiting for the other white shirts. Egilos. Pumoposte. Hindi binigyan ni Viernes. Kick out. 12 to shoot. J-Mo. Turn around. Couldn't cash in. And that's a board for Corpus.
Shots like that from big men, if you're just able to perfect that, napakagandang weapon ng face basket, fade away ng konti, very hard to guard. Nag-miss lamang yung tira. Sayang, traveling naman dito sa kabila si Janice Lozada.
Alam mo ba't na-travel yun? Pag pihit niya, hindi nakakalain na doon si Marcy. So may ilang factor. Marcy actually did not do anything. Inilang lang. Call for the traveling.
Pero kaya Marcy Arellano is at this level of basketball. It's not purely because of his scoring. It's because magaling siya mag-facilitate at magaling siyang dumipensa. That's Marcy Arellano.
Fresh legs partner, Dexter Maiquez para sa Kaida at James Martinez para sa Jumbo, ipinasok na. Taganas, free ball. Almost but not quite for Baby Shaq.
Much more better rebounding para sa Kaida. Andito na pala si Aparador. Dexter Maiquez para dito sa Kaida.
Losada, nilabas ang bola. Terzo, free ball once more. Umawa, pumasok, lock bounce for Joseph Terzo. Yes, 7 points.
Rebound para dito kay Joseph Terzo dahil ang ganda ng kanyang release ng bola. Shooter's bounce para kay Joseph.
Biggest lead para sa Kaida Town Masters. Walo na po yan, 12-4 ang ating score. Under 4 minutes to play in the first. Padilla, 9 to shoot. Binigay kay James. Against Janus, umatake si Martinez. Pumingit sa traffic. Nawala ang bola, pinulot ni Dexter.
It's going to be very hard to operate sa ilalim. Nakikita mo yung mga wide bodies na Jamil Pagapawan at saka Dexter Maiquez. Close to impossible to operate underneath the basket.
Terzo with 9 points. At ito ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Kaida Tile Masters. 10 na po yan, 14 laban sa 4.
Mainit. Mainit na mainit ang veteranong si Joseph Terzo. Meantime, sa kabila naman talagang binabantayan ng mga Gunners. Nakadikit sila ng gusto dito kay James Martinez.
At si Terzo, 9 points under his name. Pero first foul, itong si Joseph Terzo. Marvin Hayes, pinasok na muna. At si Billy Ray Robles, ang ating MVP, pinasok na rin.
Para sa Jumbo, Maki Acosta, nandyan na rin.
So hindi pa tapos ang first quarter, sinaffle na ni Coach Stevenson Q at ni Coach Mike Buendia.
So para kay Coach Stevenson, talagang kailangan ng couple set team to find the nice offensive mix of guys para sa Jumbo.
Under 3 minutes remaining, quarter 1, 8-point lead para po sa Kaida Town Masters. Nandito po kami sa May Bulacan para sa Game 2 ng ating PCBL Founders Cup. Dito po tayo ngayon sa May Malolos Sports and Convention Center sa May Bulacan para po sa Game 2 ng finals ng PCBL Founders Cup. Chicky Reyes with the Jolly Good Fellow, Jolly Escobar. At para makompleto ang aming trio, we'll turn you over to Mitch Del Carmen.
Chicky and Jolly, pumunta naman tayo sa Kaida awardees natin. Kaida Best Defensive Player Gio Halalan, gawa nga daw na late siya dumating sa kanilang team. Hindi niya talaga ito inasahan. There's a slight pressure but he will do more defense today because he is willing to be a decoy para nga matulungan ang kanyang koponan. Mythical 5 and most valuable player na si Billy Robles. Masaya siya talaga na nakuha niya ito pero kailangan niya talaga mag-focus para sa game na ito dahil kung natalo rin siya, parang wala rin daw yung mga awards niya. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Mitch. At ito nga, Gio Halalon, yung mga binanggit ni Mitch Del Carmen, Billy Ray Robles, magkakampi po yan. They are combining forces para magkaroon tayo ng Game 3. Ayaw nila makita yung walis tambo na ilalabas dito ng Jumbo Plastic.
Oo, magpapasko pero ayaw pa nila ng precipitation talking about Kaida. Na parte yung dalawang minention mo, yung malupit na backcourt yan, Gio Halalan, tapos yung kanyang shooting guard mo, yung off guard mo is Billy Ray Robles. And we were talking about him earlier, very high percentage scorer. Basta kita niya ang ring, mga jumpers niya, a little bit like PJ Simon. One-handed 10-foot, 12-footers niya, taas ng percentage niya, Billy Ray Robles.
Partner, nagkaroon ng miscue Padilla and Taganas. And nung game number 1, magkaiba sila ng jersey. Ang mga nakapula ay ang Jumbo, nakapula. Tapos ang Kaida nakaputi. What's happening right now is kung ano man yung miscues ng Kaida Tile Masters ng game number 1, it's happening right now to Jumbo.
Nagkabaligtad.
Oo, eh.
Oo.
It's another turnover. Miscommunication between Padilla and Viernes.
Well, very early in the ball game. Only the first quarter dito. Lots of time to settle down para dito sa Jumbo Plastic. Very convincing win game number 1 para sa kanila, no?
The MVP couldn't handle the pass of Dexter Maiquez. That's Billy Ray Robles on your screens. Pero may luxury sila dito. In the first quarter, a minute 45 remaining. They're up by 10, 16-6.
Still the biggest lead of this ball game. Of course, kung Jumbo ko, gusto mo ma-duplicate yung game number 1 yan. Pero easier said than done. Solid team, Kaida.
Anong sabi mo kanina? They will not go quietly into the night. Padilla, mintis ang tres. Maiquez, nawala yung bola, napulot. ni Viernes. Napunta kay Martinez. Free ball ni James. Pasok.
It's your defense para dito sa Kaida. Walang naka-close out dun sa Deadly na napakagandang linaro ng Game 1 na James Martinez. 22 points ng Game 1, Chick.
Mabasa 7 kalamangan dito ng Tile Masters. 16-9. Dexter inside. It's good.
Not only does he defend, he gets rebounds, he shoots jump shots. Dexter, my guess, PBA quality player.
Under a minute remaining. First quarter. Lamang ng Siyam. Ang Kaida. 18-9. Viernes. Nakuha mo yung bola. Acosta. One fake. Inilapit. Couldn't cash it in. Robles skying high for the rebound.
Think about Billy Ray Robles, partner. He's athletic. Shoots jump shots very well, giving his team Kaida a nice rebound pa.
That's a wild pass coming from Marvin Hayes. Hindi makontrol ni Ford Ruaya. But you gotta give credit dun sa depensa ni Maki Acosta.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Anong game yung tinawag natin? We were Jumbo. Plastic could not hit a jump shot, pero Maki Acosta hit a couple of jumpers ng pagpasok niya as we see Jeff Viernes.
Hitting the floor.
Oo. Medyo hard that time.
He wanted to lean in dito kay Gio Halalon. At nung nagkaroon na ng contact, ang ginawa ni Gio, iniwanan. So dire-diretso itong si Jeff Viernes. And they'll call a foul on Gio Halalon at tapika naman yung dalawang manlalaro. And Jeff will be given 2 free throws.
And Jeff, he seems fine naman, no? Getting up. At walang problema get through to the line for a couple.
2 foul shots for Jeff
18-9 ang ating score. 33 seconds remaining quarter 1. Lamang pa rin po ang Kaida Tile Masters.
3 points in total para dito kay Jeff Viernes. One more free throw coming.
Itong playoffs, erratic as we showed you earlier si Coach Stevenson, medyo erratic ang production ni Jeff Viernes. But according to him, di bale, basta importante panalo sila, he doesn't mind not scoring anything.
So the funny thing is, partner, pareho silang 7 ang mga turnovers. Pero ang Kaida nakaka-capitalize dyan. 8 points off the turnovers, only 3 para dito sa jump.
And I will not be surprised. Look at the scoreboard, lamang sila ng 8. Coach Mike Buendia, of course, ang kanyang misyon, umabot ng game number 3. And even if mag-tie tayo, Padre, sa game number 3, pagpasok nun, I would say that momentum would slightly shift to Kaida only because nakakuha na rin game number 2.
Tama yun. Partner, yun na nga yung sinatawag natin. Nag-shift the momentum. Well, kasi partner, if you just look at this lineup, it's pretty solid. Very nice, balanced lineup. Solid, big guys, solid guards. Talking about Kaida, ito yung speedster. That's Gio Halalon.
And Gio Halalon, natalo niya yung ating orasan, scoring again. At aangat muli sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Kaida Tile Masters. Ito yung kanilang pinakamalaking kalamangan at 10 points. First 10 minutes of game number 2. Tapos na po yan. Yan ang ating score. Tile Masters up by 10. 20-10. We'll be right back.